Okay, this is just a little recap video to help you with the structure of carbohydrate. But before we go into the actual structure of the carbohydrate, let's look at what it's composed of. So you've got carbohydrate, so as the name suggests, carbo is carbon. And then the hydrate, so this H2O, we know to be hydrogen and oxygen. Now, carbohydrates are the nutritional category for sugars. Okay, and there are many different types of sugars, but in science, the term given to a sugar is saccharide. It's more than one, saccharides. Now, the structure or the formation of our different carbohydrates just depends on how many saccharides are actually linked together. So let's look at what we might be familiar with so far. We've got complex carbohydrates, and another term we've heard of is simple carbohydrates. Now, the only difference is they are both sugars, it's just the structure. Okay, so I'm going to use this to annotate a saccharide. Alright, a complex carbohydrate has a chain of these saccharides linked together. Alright, a chain. And because there's a chain of them, it takes longer for them to be broken down and digested into the bloodstream. So they are slow releasing energy just because of the amount of time it takes to break this chain down. And then we have simple carbohydrates, which is composed of two or even just one saccharide. They are quick released into the bloodstream because it doesn't take long to break them down at all. In science, mono equals 1, di equals 2, tri equals 3, and poly means many, or 10 plus. So let's have a look at this structure here. We have a chain of 10, 4, 6, 8, 10. So therefore, the name given to this carbohydrate would be poly. A polysaccharide. Here we have a link of two saccharides together, so this would be a disaccharide. And lastly, we've got a singular saccharide, so that would be mono.